Friends, welcome again into yet another session of mathematics, and here we are studying quadratic equation. And as in the previous session we have talked about the quadratic formula. Moving ahead with the same topic, today let me explain how to check whether the roots are real or not. As we have talked about that this discriminant, if the value of the discriminant d is greater than or equal to 0, only in this condition that the roots will be real in nature, or else if other than this, if we are getting any negative value, then we can say that the roots for the given quadratic equation will not be real. So let us see, taking an example. Here we have taken an example, I have taken an example 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here we have been given two different problem sets that we have to consider while solving. The first one is to check whether the roots are real or not, and the second step and the second question obviously will be to find out the roots for the given quadratic equation. See, in order to find out the discriminant, we know that the discriminant, or in the previous class, in the previous session we have talked about this quadratic formula is also known as the Sri Sivacharya's theory. So keeping into view, the discriminant d is equal to b square plus b square minus 4ac. So this is the discriminant. So in order to find out the discriminant, we will have to identify the coefficient b, coefficient a and c from the given quadratic equation. So let us write down all the coefficients. A is equal to 9, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 2. So once you obtain this coefficient, we will move further and find out the discriminant. So the discriminant will be equal to b square, that is 7 square minus 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by minus 2. As a result, here we can see that we will be getting 49 minus, sorry, this will come again here and become plus. So it is going to be this value. Adding up to this, 9 and 2, 1, 7, 4. So this is the value, and since we can see that here discriminant is equal to 121, which is greater than 0, therefore we can say that the roots will be real. Hope this has been clear to you, friends. Now moving ahead, let us find out the roots. Since here we are having alpha minus b plus under root d, that is 121 upon 2 multiplied by a, that is 9. Then again for beta we can write like this. Beta will be equal to, for b we will write the value of b, that is minus 7, and then we are having minus 7 once again minus under root 121 upon 2 into 9. So minus 7 plus 11, similarly minus 7 minus 11 upon 18. Solving this, we would get the value as equal to 4 upon 18, and this will be equal to 18 minus 18 upon 18. So here we will be getting minus 1 as the value, and here we will get a value that is equal to 2 upon 9. So these two are the values that we are looking for. So hence in this question we have dealt with two different portions. The first one is to identify whether the roots are real or not, and the second to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. Step by step we have followed and solved it for the final value of alpha and beta. Now second step, in addition to this, what we can do is we can put both of these values, like putting the value of alpha and putting the value of beta, so that we can check whether this quadratic equation comes to be 0 and that is true for the given values or not for the calculated roots. So that's all in today's session. Hope you would have understood it. See you in the next session. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.